Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to honorable speakers of the International Conference on Teaching, Learning, and Technology ICTL 2025. In this special occasion, I am Ani Nur Ayani, a student of Magister Primary Education Department IKIP Silimangi, Cimahi. I would like to thank who have given me an opportunity to present about my paper with the title Effectiveness of the Problem-Based Learning Model on Students' Critical Thinking Abilities in Science Learning. Introduction. One important indicator of educational quality is student critical thinking skill, a skill needed to understand, analyze, and solve complex problems in society. According to the result of the 2018 PISA International Survey, Indonesian student science mastery at the international level is still relatively low. PBL allows students to develop critical thinking, analysis, synthesis, and problem-solving skills that are highly needed in the 4.0 era. Several studies have shown that the application of PBL in science education has successfully improved student scientific literacy and 21st century skills. Method. This research used approach quantitative with design quasi-experiment. The independent variable in this study was the learning model, PBL, and the lecture method, while the dependent variable was students' critical thinking skills. Data analysis use statistic descriptive for the average value, standard deviation, and score highest and lows. Next, the effectiveness of PBL is analyzed use independent sample test to score and gain. Result and discussion. The result of study present empirical finding regarding the effectiveness of the problem-based learning PBL model in improving students' critical thinking skills in science learning in 4th-grade elementary schools. Data were obtained through a series of pre-test and post-test measurements given to the experimental class receiving PBL treatment and the control class using the lecture method. Analysis was conducted to compare the improvement in critical thinking skill in both group drug and gain calculation and inferential statistical tests. The following findings provide a comprehensive overview of the difference in learning outcomes, the implementation of the learning model, and level of effectiveness of PBL as an approach oriented toward authentic problem solving. Result and discussion. The result of the research show existing different ability behind students between class experiment and class control before given treatment. Based on this research, studies strengthen that the problem-based learning model is effective in increased ability to think critical elementary school students in science learning. Through stage orientation problems, investigation, collaboration, and presentation, students get experience learning that requires a thinking process level high. Conclusion. Based on the research result, it is recommended that teachers apply the problem-based learning model should be more consistent in science lessons, especially in materials requiring analysis and problem solving. Teachers need to design authentic problem scenarios that are close to students' real-life context to further motivate them to think critically. Furthermore, it is crucial for teachers to manage time effectively, facilitate group discussion, and provide guidance as students conduct independent investigation. Closing, I believe that finding presented today provides significant insight into elementary school learning. I sincerely hope this research can contribute for further academic discourse and practical application in the field of science. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.